Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Alex and Annie and Harry Potter time turner necklace and bracelet. Came out with a couple new pieces of the jewelry, so I'm so excited. So today, this actually was super unplanned. I didn't even know that this came out. Today I went to a specific location that has an Alex and Annie store right next to it, and I was walking and then I just happened to like glance because something like caught my eye, something cute. And when I looked to the left, I was like, oh! It was a full collection of Harry Potter. I wish I would have taken a picture, but I did take a picture of the outside. It literally had all of the jewelry of Harry Potter displayed, and I was like, and I saw this time turner piece and I literally, my jaw dropped to the floor. I had to physically pick it up and reattach it, reconstructive surgery, all in like 5 minutes. I came back and I saw this sign and I took a picture of it. I'd rather stay at Hogwarts this Christmas. Basically, I got the time turner necklace and the time turner bracelet with the charm on it. So this necklace was $58 and the bracelet was $43, so I spent a whopping $107.57. I'm gonna take it off so I can show you, and maybe to take this one off too so I can show you closer, but I've been having it on all day so I can actually do like an official review and all that and tell you what I think about it. This is super cool. It actually has a clasp. I love it, first of all, because this is a super long necklace, so you really can extend it to whatever length you want. Now when I have it on at the longest length, it goes all the way down to about where my breasts kind of end, right where like your heart is kind of. It's just about right here, which is super cool. I like it just a tiny bit higher, so like right about to here. Just pull these together and it shortens. And this is actually made with Swarovski crystals. It's in the style Raphalian gold. And this actually spins, so I'm going to show you. Cute! And it actually has some sayings on it. My use and value onto you are guarded by what you have to do. And then the other side says, I mark the hours, everyone, nor have I yet outrun the sun. Cute little thing on the side, which I already know it is. Very happy with this purchase. I think that it is beautiful quality. Now the other piece that I have is the matching bracelet, and it's a charm and it comes with the same exact thing, time turner. Which all Alex and Annie jewelry is made in the USA, which is amazing, and there's amazing quality, great quality. I have never had one break or anything. And this does like the same thing where it spins, but this one is a little bit harder to spin. So I think it's safe to say that I'll be leaving it like that. The necklace is a little bit easier to spin, and it doesn't have any words around here, which is okay because you have that on the necklace, you know. It's super comfy, and if you've never had an Alex and Annie bracelet, they do stretch. You can put them on and then they kind of adjust to like your natural wrist shape, which is really nice. And they're super comfy and they never like grab onto like the hairs or anything on your wrist, which is amazing. And they're just so comfy. So I'm super excited. I really love my purchases. This is how they came. They come hooked onto these little cards. So this one is the one that the expandable bracelet, the expandable bangle came on front. It's super cute. It just has Harry Potter, so I'm just gonna keep this one. I do have a couple other Harry Potter ones. I threw them away, but this is actually really pretty, and I love that it looks like a newspaper. Super cute. And then on the inside, it just tells you a little bit of information on Alex and Annie, and then on the bottom it tells you information on J.K. Rowling, and then on the back it has a little quote, which is really nice. It says 3 turns should do it. Albus Dumbledore, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, which is I think my favorite one. I do want to show you a couple of other Alex and Annie Harry Potter bangles that I personally have, but they do have a lot more. I actually got really lucky because I was just happened to be buying a bracelet for my mom, and then I came across the Harry Potter and I was like, what? Harry Potter? and I got 3 pieces. All these came from Amazon, but they are by Alex and Annie, and also they were discounted, so that was super fun. I think I got each of these for like $19, which is amazing. They usually sell for like 28 bucks. So the first one that I have is the 9 3/4 Bangle. Has 2 tones to it. It has gold and silver, which is really, really pretty. And then I got the matching necklace, which was also on sale. Didn't get them on the same time. I actually got the necklace like a month or 2 after I got the bangle because it just happened to go on sale. The other Harry Potter one that I got was the sorting hat, which is super cute. They were sold out of the silver one, so I ended up just getting the gold one, which is really nice, and it's also made out of the same Raffalian gold. They have earrings, they have more necklaces. They have a necklace that says always in silver, which is so pretty, but it's like $90, and oh my gosh. I do have a couple more Alex and Annie bracelets. A couple. My mom has a lot. But I have a cute amount of ones. I actually have on a couple on now. I'm just gonna show them to you because why the heck not? So I actually have these 2 in the Raffalian print as well. This one says friends. Gotta get it situated. My mom actually got these for me for graduation when I graduated high school no, not when I graduated high school, when I got my associate's degree. And they are super rusty. I am like totally have to clean it. They are disgusting. But these were much loved. I actually have a little bit of paint on it because I used to wear them like all the time because I didn't really know like their value, you know, from when I was small. But now that I pay for my stuff, I like take care of it, you know. Didn't all 3 come together, but this is a graduation cap, which is super cute, and these are known mostly for stacking together, which is super cool. So these are in Raffalian gold. I love those. I usually wear them together. I haven't worn these in a while actually, but when I did wear them, I wore them together. And then I have this Alex and Annie bangle, which is a shiny material, and this is the evil eye, and my mom actually got this one for me for Easter, which is super cute. I loved it. The last ones that I want to show you, which I was so excited about, and I spent a lot of money. These are the Disney ones. I actually bought these in an Alex and Annie store at the Disney Springs, which is in Florida. This is super cute. I'm waiting to see when they come out with more princesses. Got 2 silver ones with Jasmine and Cinderella, and in the back they do have words on it. So the Cinderella one says have courage and be kind, and then the Jasmine one says heart of courage. I have these 3 rose gold ones, which are so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Super obsessed. And these are the ones that I used today. I'm going to take them off of my wrist. So I have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and then I have Sleeping Beauty. And in the back of Sleeping Beauty, it says true love conquers all. Super cute. And I love that it's like the old school character. She is beautiful. And then this is Sleeping Beauty. Super cute. I'm in love with my purchase. If you're wondering if this is great quality and worth it, I absolutely think it's worth it if A, you have the money to afford it. If you have the money to afford it, I would say get it. If it's between you paying a bill or getting this bracelet, pay your bill. This is a beautiful collector's item to have if you want it, if you can afford it, if you feel like you're gonna wear it all the time, get it. It's stackable. You can put it on with anything. Like, look at how cute my wrist looks. And I love it. I love having it on. It makes me feel so special, and I can take Harry Potter with me everywhere I go. So yeah, that is all I have to say. I hope you guys loved this review and also a little peek into my collection of Alex and Annie bracelets. I can't wait to get more. And yeah, that is all I have to tell you guys. I love Alex and Annie, and if you have anything from Alex and Annie that you love, please let me know down below. So if you have any recommendations that I should check out, if you have anything from the Harry Potter collection, let me know what you got, because this girl is addicted. So that is all I have to tell you guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. And I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day. Bye.